And in terms of what you will learn today, this entire session is all to do with case law. There is very limited case law when it comes to court of protection costs, so there isn't that much to know. So I'm hoping to whistle through all of it in this session to give you a real good flavour of everything there is to know that is case law related. That said, there are obviously other places that you can find information in relation to court of protection costs and the rules in relation to this area, particularly the practice directions and any other guidance from the SCCO. But exclusively today, we're going to talk about the case law. I'm going to try my best to give you some takeaway points and some practical tips. So not just the case law itself, but what that means and what are the implications for practicing deputies and court of protection practitioners. And please forgive me because I'm fully aware that case law is dry. I know this isn't the most exciting area, but whether you are a paralegal in court of protection, whether you are just coming into this area, you might be a trainee, or it might be that you are a senior solicitor, a deputy who's been doing this for a long time. Hopefully there was something to take away from this session. So to summarise with some top tips here, you need to work on being as efficient as you can be in COP cases. Now, I know some of that case law is quite outdated, but unfortunately it is all still good case law. So you need to take on board the decisions made by the judges in those decisions and make sure you are working as efficiently as you can, encompassing those decisions into your practice, whether that is adapting your banking system to make sure that you can arrange payments as properly as you can, or delegating appropriately and capturing that time properly. As I said earlier, delegation and team structure is fundamental to the longevity and profitability of COP work. That is something that I'm really passionate about, and it's something that I think more and more frequently is coming into question as to the longevity of this work. Can COP work be sustainable if you're not getting paid properly? Well, in order to get paid properly, you need to make sure you are delegating and that you have a suitable team structure and that you are aware of all of this case law to make sure that you are getting paid appropriately for the work that you are doing.